welcome to another video. So today we are at Silver Springs. Yeah, Silver Springs. Sorry, I always get the two tracks mixed up, but yeah, we're at Silver Springs today. Bright and early in the morning. We already did the practice. I went for late bike practice. So first practice out was pretty crappy. Right now, I am racing the orange bike right now. It's looking awesome, running awesome. Austin's racing the 4-stroke Yamaha because we got that back. People wanted updates on that. We pretty much just put a new whole top end in it because I think the exhaust valve was shot or something like that. It was not looking too good. One of the valves weren't really looking too good, and my dad decided, well, if they're looking at the valves anyways, and you're already there, just do the top ends. Because that thing has like 68-ish hours on it. Might as well do the top end while you can and while it's already open. So that's the deal on that. That's what's going on with the Yamaha. Both motors went pretty well. The first one, not so much, but the second one went a lot better. I was feeling a lot better. It wasn't as, I was kind of feeling the lines and everything, kind of getting the lines down and everything, so that was fun. I had a lot of fun. Both motors I did, but I enjoyed the second one a bit more. Hopefully they groomed some of the deep ruts and everything, but you know, you can't never get what you ask for all the time, so I'm okay with trying to get used to getting the deep ruts and stuff, so that's something I need to work on. So more practice, I guess, is better. So I'm gonna have to get used to it one way or another.